5 Fat Loss Workout Tips. If you are trying to lose weight, you need to exercise. People who attempt to lose weight through dieting alone will never see the results that they are looking for. The workouts do not need to be intense, but need to happen regularly. When you work out on a regular basis, you help your body to burn more calories per day. If you want to lose fat, you need to get on a regular workout schedule. These 5 fat loss workout tips will help you to approach working out in a way that will help you to lose weight safely and efficiently. Number 1. Start slow. One of the most important things to do when starting a weight loss workout program is to start slow. Your body needs to get used to the idea of strenuous activity. If you try to go too hard too fast, you may injure yourself. Start off slow, and pick up your intensity as you get further into your workout schedule. Number 2. Cardio is key. Simply put, cardio is necessary to lose weight. You need to burn calories through cardio exercises such as biking, ellipticaling, and running. It is important to remember that these exercises do not need to be extreme and intense. You only need to raise your heart rate to see the positive effects of cardio. Number 3. Lifting weights will help. If you want to lose weight, you need to start lifting weight. When you lift weights, your body creates muscle. The muscle in your body will burn calories and fat, as it needs these calories energy to rebuild, strengthen, and maintain itself. The more muscle you build, the more fat you burn. Lifting weights will make it easier for you to reach your goals. Number 4. Understand the long-term nature of the process. It is important to understand the long-term nature of working out for weight loss. You may not see the results that you expect during the first week or 2 of your workout schedule. You may also plateau during your workouts, not losing weight at all after a time of weight loss. These 2 scenarios are normal, and highlight the importance of sticking with a workout regimen. Number 5. Work out at home. Sometimes, it can be difficult to go out to the gym. Some do not have the time for the drive, while others are simply embarrassed to go to the gym. If this is the case for you, work out at home. By purchasing some small weights, some resistance bands, and cardio equipment, you can get a great workout in right in the comfort of your own home. You do not need to become a gym rat to lose weight. You simply need to work out regularly. Whether this be outside, at home, or in a gym, you need to give your body the exercise that it needs to burn calories and fat. These 5 fat loss workout tips will help you to learn how to approach your exercise regimen. If you do the work behind this routine, you will meet your weight loss goals. To get fit, check description link. Like and share this video, subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.